Welcome to this week's African Agri Overview. This week we focus on the Tanzanian maize market and ask if potential government buying could support prices short-term despite healthy supply. Proudly brought to you by Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. The latest maize spot prices traded as follows. Dar es Salaam on $270, Lusaka on $207, Lilongwe on $220, Nairobi on $375, Kigali on $355, while Kampala traded on $403 per metric ton. Remember, if you'd like more detail on these markets and what's driving these price movements or become a sponsor on this video, be sure to get in touch with us now. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. And with that, let's hand over to Jacques Pienaar, our regular market analyst, for this week's update on the grain markets.
Welcome all viewers. This week we look at the Tanzania maize market, where prices remain relatively high despite bumper crops in 2023, 2024 and another above normal crop expected for 2025. Note, all numbers used in our graphs are best estimates given information at our disposal and should be seen as such. There are very little statistics available on Tanzanian crops. Since our last podcast in April, our S&D estimate for the 2024-25 year, running more or less from July 2024 to June 2025, has remained unchanged. Our production forecast at 8.5 million tonnes, local consumption at 6 million tonnes, exports at 1.5 million tonnes, and ending stocks at 2 million tonnes, a high number. We guess half the ending stocks will be NFRA stock. The more relevant question is probably how the 2025-26 year S&D could evolve. We are careful to forecast a crop given limited information at this point. However, our contacts indicate farmers talking improved yield potential for both the short-range crop that harvested March to May and the long-range crop that just commenced harvesting. So, an above normal crop most likely, let's say 7 million tonnes plus. Can storage space be an issue this season given high carrying stocks? Regional maize crop expectations significantly up on last year, so Tanzanian exports likely to decline. Therefore, expectations that 2025-26 year ending stocks likely to remain high. We continue to hear talk of aflatoxin contamination and maize lethal necrosis disease in Tanzanian maize. In a season like this one, where the region is relatively well supplied and importers have several import options, it is likely these issues could impact negatively on Tanzanian export demand. The next graph illustrates the Tanzanian maize price history. Current price in Dar es Salaam at $270 a ton. Prices remain high if one considers the healthy S&D outlook. Observers generally expect further price downside, but careful to call levels as government involvement unpredictable. The past year or two, government has supported prices by buying significant volumes through the NFRA. Last year, the NFRA bought maize in rural areas at $220 a ton. This was probably the reason why prices in Dar es Salaam never moved below $220 a ton during peak harvest last year, July to September, despite the bumper crop. See the yellow circle. Government have not announced how much they will buy this season and at what price. With current large NFRA stock levels, available storage space can limit the size of their buying campaign and therefore the influence they could have on the market. Our contacts feel prices could dip below $200 a ton late July to early September when the harvest is expected to peak. See the blue line. That said, the market on several occasions in the past has underestimated the impact of government interference. Next week, we will look at the regional maize picture and potential flows during the next 12 months. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thanks, Jock. Now's the time to update your driveline. Get Zimmatic gearboxes, motors, coupler kits and wheels at a special offer, available while stocks last. Contact your nearest Zimmatic dealer for a quote today and invest in a system for the future. Grow with Zimmatic. A big thank you again to our sponsors Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems for making this content possible. If you're interested in becoming a sponsor or subscribing to more detailed market reports, contact us today. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to join us again next week for more insights and updates on the African grain markets.